Today, we're going to do some dates wrapped with bacon. It's very popular everywhere right now. Of course, anything wrapped in bacon is bound to be good. What's great about the dates in bacon and what makes it so popular is the sweetness of the dates matched with the saltiness of the bacon. Just makes for a really great combination. And what we're going to do is we're going to stuff it with a goat cheese and Boursin cheese mixture, which is going to also add a little creaminess to the dish. To start, you're going to take some layout bacon. A thick cut would be the best to use. So what we have right now is we've cut it into little strips. You've got your dates pitted. What I've done here is taken equal parts goat cheese and Boursin cheese. Boursin is like a garlic herb, creamy cheese. You can find it at any grocery store. We're gonna pipe it into the date. What I've done is taken a plastic pastry bag, filled it, and we're just gonna squeeze it right into the hole of the date here. If you don't have a pastry bag handy, no problem. What you can do is take the date, make a little slit down the side so that you can open it up. And then we're just going to take the tip of a spoon, go ahead and lay the filling inside, and then close it back up. Okay, we've got the dates all filled with the cheese. As you can see, it can be a little bit labor intensive, but believe me, it's going to be worth it. Simply, what you're going to do, let's just start at one end of the bacon, roll it up, and close it with a toothpick. Just repeat the process. After they're wrapped, or if you're going to be cooking them right away, you're going to want to have your oven preheated to 425 degrees. You want to get the oven nice and hot. The point is to get the bacon on the outside crispy without overcooking the date inside. Right around the holidays, I think this is a great little appetizer. It's a great snack. If you're going to a party, somebody asks you to bring something, I can promise you they will be the hit of the party. Okay, our bacon wrapped dates have been in the oven. Go ahead and pull them out. You can see they're a little crispy on the outside. What we're going to do is drain them on paper towels. And once they get a real quick drain, we're going to go ahead and carefully, because they're hot, remove the toothpick, arrange them on a plate. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drizzle a little bit of balsamic reduction around the outside.